Hi! In this tutorial, you will learn how to change the project and task of already tracked hours. This feature can be used for when a workspace member tracked time on a wrong project or task and wants to correct it. Note that employees can change their own projects and tasks, project managers can do so for members who track time on their project, and the owner and executive managers can edit the project and tasks of all workspace members. In order to do that, go to Time Manager on the menu, then Edit Timesheet. On the opened page, you can select the necessary member, including yourself, then go to the tracked period you want to change and select the correct project or task, like so. If necessary, write an activity description as well. That's it! Thank you for choosing WebWork. Follow us for more tutorials and helpful videos.